Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a simple side dish. However, this may be a side dish, but more often than not I eat it as dinner in its entirety. It's one of those dishes I do when I've had a long day and I need something that is quick, easy and a carb source. And this is all it requires, and it's great for taking your frustrations out on. Just a bag of baby potatoes, leave them in the bag, them, the rolling pin. Be better after that. So just need a little bit of oil in a roasting tray. So doing this prevents me having to get out a chopping board and knife and all that simply to cut them, and it also provides me with lots of edges and that will really crisp up in the oven. I think of these as very simplified chips. So that's it, my potatoes are ready for the oven. They just take 45 minutes in a 220 degree oven, and then dinner will be ready. My potatoes have had their time in the oven. I'm ready to go. Very generous helping. So this is what does all the magic. It's raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. And if you haven't tried this vinegar, I cannot recommend it enough to anyone that likes their vinegar. It has a real fresh sourness to it that you get from no other vinegar. So I am going to absolutely douse these in the vinegar. Whenever you think you've added enough, add some more. And then I've got vinegar. I must have salt, and I use Malden sea salt flakes. I love this salt. And I'm all set. You can hear how crunchy these are. They're absolutely fantastic. The vinegar really makes them. If you like this recipe, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you.